Random.
Hey Rip and Lip Squad, I hope everyone's having a great morning, day, or night. We are out here in the beautiful Islamorada, Florida, near Key West. Look, I know I said I was done. I didn't really plan on making another video, but I've decided that I'm gonna finish you guys out with 2 new videos for this trip. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going out on a charter, big dog charters. Gonna be on about a 50-foot catamaran, and we're gonna try to catch some sailfish and some mahi hopefully today, but we'll take whatever will come our way. But anyways, without further ado guys, let's get into it.
Easy lift off, let them run up.
Alright.
Seems like a king bite or something.
Do a fish goes?
I need to rod a little more, John. Lift up, wind down, nice and easy. Nice and easy lift.
Yeah, come to the left.
Gaining?
Yep.
Sure.
Yep.
Remember to level out the reel. I think that's the reel, right? Use your left thumb to work the line back and forth across the spool. Keep your left hand forward on the rod, but use your thumb to level the spool. When the lead comes up, I'll pull the lead off and then you'll reel through it, okay?
You're good. You said it's probably
Could be a kingfish, could be a mutton snapper, it could be
Yep.
little shark.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That looks like a cobia.
No, it's a shark.
Shark? Yeah, I see it now, yeah.
Down close to him if you want. Watch your hand.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Nice. You good?
I'm good.
Look at that shit. Wow.
Dude! Oh my!
Still chasing. You can try to had that thing chasing.
Oh! It just came out the water!
Trying to eat a jack now.
Yeah! I see that!
Friggin' Nat Geo on the friggin' hound dog today.
Yeah, right?
Hey, young John.
Yeah.
Fish can't run, they don't have legs.
Okay. Alright now. Alright, well we're on to something good because he's still feeling. Alright, getting on him. He's running again. He's still running. Gaining on him. Oh, he's running.
Easy, baby.
Don't pre-pull it.
Put it back in the holder.
Nice fire truck.
That's a good one.
That's beauty. Actually, I've actually never caught a mutton, so that's a new species for me.
Mission accomplished.
Good one. Get in my video, Kenny.
Hey, not over the side of the boat. Go towards that way.
I got you. That's good.
All right.
All right. Yeah, boys. Well, that's a good buy-in.
You want to get this up?
Just let him run.
Watch the leg coming up, right?
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
Let him run.
Let me get this shit.
Chase him down.
All right.
Watch the leg when it comes down, please.
Hurt.
Watch the blade, okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's put something out here a little bit.
Yeah.
Easy, baby.
I'm getting slack.
All right, just hey, don't reel against the drag. Just collect what you can collect, okay?
All right. Sounds good. I'm on to a sailfish, guys.
Shooter on.
Hell yeah! Yahtzee!
Hey, bites make bites, baby.
Look, he's gonna jump. I did. He was jumping, guys. That was awesome. Keep your eyes out there.
Pay attention to that fish.
Huh?
Just get the
There
fish
he
in.
is. He didn't jump.
Down to the third.
There he goes, Joe. Gained it on him. That was awesome.
Gain what you can gain. You haven't lost him. He's still on there. Reel with the boat
Real,
on
you
back,
pay
John.
attention to that.
But just don't reel against the drag, okay? Gain what you can gain. I know.
Second I feel it, I'm stopping. Right there.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Remember, there's a shit ton of weed out here, too, so just easy does it. Scoping up a little bit. He's gonna come
Yeah,
take
he's
you
gonna
out.
jump, isn't he? Should I go run him down when he does?
Not necessarily. Just keep the line
Keep the
tight.
line tight. All right.
You worry about that fish.
John, come on. This side.
Yeah.
Look, there he is, right there. 30 feet behind the boat, black in the wave, right there.
Oh!
Where do you want me?
Over there.
Away from the door?
No, we're not putting him in.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be better off up there. Here, let me close it.
Gotcha. No, I'm good right here.
jump!
Whoa!
Real tight, John, real tight! All right, let him run, let him run, let him run! Holy shit!
Focus up, John. That thing tried to charge your
Trying to
ass.
charge me, you trying to kill me! You trying to kill me! Oh no!
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That was great.
All right, keep it out of there. He's going to try to re-straighten us out. Yeah.
See how it lit up? Yeah, so we already had it. We already had one more drag fine. I was trying to loosen it a little bit.
There he is. Woo! He's finally tired.
Follow.
John with his first sailfish.
What a beauty. What a beauty.
I just got a sailfish!
John, go to his other side. Get behind the fish.
Whip.
Sail. Behind. Come on, try to sail in there.
All right.
Yeah!
Hey, slide back. There you go.
Yep. Lower your left hand a little so the sail opens up more there. There you go. Ready? Yeah.
Dad, front. Go front.
Let me get one photo. There we go.
Nice job, buddy.
There he goes. Look at that fish. Yeah! Woo!
There we go, fellas. Got the sailfish flag up.
Alright, Rip and Lip Squad, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I was planning on doing 2, but I went out today. We did not catch anything. We went for tarpon and all that in the backcountry. Did not catch a single thing, which is disappointing, but you know what? I caught some new species this time. Had a great time, great trip. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. Or don't. I can't, promise I'll be putting videos up very often, but when I get the chance, things like this, I'll definitely put up videos when I can. So, anyways, Rip and Lip Squad, I hope you have a great morning, day, or night, and I'll see you next time.